February. It is the very first month of our Soap of the Month Club for 2021. And I sent your packages out on the 1st, actually probably the 2nd, but you all should have them by now. So I want to do a quick unboxing, and then we have a little bit of a challenge to do that I think I'm going to take you in the bathroom and I'm going to do a little ASMR in there. That sounds sketchy, doesn't it? Hey, look, I'm going to tell you something. See that orange thing behind me? That's a Crossroads candle. I accidentally lit it. I didn't put any intention toward it, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about it. So anyway, let's talk about Soap of the Month. So your Soap of the Month pouch will come looking something like this, and well, of course it will have your address on it. And then there's a little sticker that has the little fat mermaid who says hello. She's not fat, she's fabulous. It says hello, is it me you're looking for? You can see it in your eyes. Anyway. You will notice that there is an email address at the bottom, or a website address at the bottom of this, and it says sususoaps.com. Sususoaps.com will be up, I believe, in March, maybe April. I'm trying to get merchandise to populate it and trying to get it built up. This will be a separate site from the Susan Rushing Collective, where I sell all my clearing products. This is just gonna be for soap. Yes, my shirt says Coven Girl with all of the fabulous, why can't I think of that? I put a spell on you. Hocus Pocus witches. If you like shirts like this, Sandra has a website on Etsy, has a shop on Etsy called Pixie Dusted Queens. She makes hilarious and extraordinarily witty shirts, and she's getting ready to put some face masks up. So, kind of fun. She's got a No Touchy shirt for 2020 that has Cusco on it that I love so much. You know, I'm a Disney crazy person. Anyway, let's talk about your Soap of the Month. Your Soap of the Month, because it's February. You know, I always do some kind of like love soap or some kind of spicy cinnamon sexy thing for February. But you know what? This is how your soap comes. Actually, it'll have a little tie on it. I already took the tie off. This soap is called Main Squeeze. And it's like grapefruit and orange and lime and every kind of citrus and bergamot. All in a little swirly soap. Soaps are a little bit differently sized. They're a little bit thicker and a little bit shorter. They're not always going to be this size. Sometimes they're going to be bigger. Sometimes they're going to be, you know, wider. Sometimes they'll be taller. I'm playing around with ingredients, and I'm playing around with different molds. And the more expensive your ingredients are, unfortunately, the smaller your bar of soap, because we got it all make it work out. But this Fabulosity has cocoa butter and olive oil and shea, and it's got everything that's in the soap is listed in the letter that you get, and it comes in your envelope for this month is pink. It just says "Hey there" on it, and then there's a sticker on the back that says "I didn't lick your envelope." I did it because COVID. So no licky, no licky. It's all sticky, no licky all the time. So here is how's that? Here's the letter that you're gonna get. It's got all of the ingredients of your soap. Talks to you about all of the benefits in that soap. Talks about the little extra things that we have in here this month. And on the back is 6 reasons why you should be using Handmade Soap. And there's 6 really great reasons. I hope you read it. You know, put it in the bathroom. Just pick it up. You got a whole, if you just read one every time you go to the potty, you got a whole week's worth. I mean, you know, maybe 3 days. Just depends on your constitution, I suppose. So anyway, I might cut that out. I might not. Anyway, so along with your fabulous soap, and look, on your bars, I stamped "Hello Fabulous." I got a new soap stamp. I love it so much. It came all the way from Hungary. And you know that my name in Hungarian is Zsa. I looked it up. So, you know, the internet doesn't lie, right? So anyway, I have Firefly mica, some atomic orange mica, and some fuchsia mica, all from Nurture Soaps in here, and a little bit of swirl of glitter on the top because glitter makes everything better. Do you love that? Okay, now here comes the challenge. You know, every year I send you soap nets. Why do I send you soap nets? Because soap nets keep your soap hanging around longer, and they will exfoliate you. So this is our original soap net, just like this. And it's kind of like a stretchy, plasticky, rubbery kind of situation. Let me take the tag off. And I like this soap net a lot because it will scrub you. It is a nice exfoliation, but you just take your soap, stick it in the soap net, so easy. Pull the top, take the pony bead, slide it down, pony bead, and then you scrub. I love these things, but they only last about maybe 6 months because the bottom falls out. Which, you know, I might be a brute in the shower, I don't know, but mine tend to last between 5 and 7 months, so average that out at 6. But over the holidays, you know, I did some little holiday boxes for folk, and I found these. I found a vendor who had these. These are much bigger net. It's a much finer net. It's 2-ply instead of 1-ply, so you see. It closes with a satin ribbon, but there is no pony bead, so it's easier to get the soap in here, just like that. I find that this makes a lot of really great lather, and I really like that about it. So here's what it looks like in the net. So we put this in the net, we scrub ourselves, and then you hang it, this one or this one, on your little faucet or a hook in your shower so that your soap dries out and doesn't get all manky and gross on the bottom. That way, it will stay harder longer. And, because you know, like, have you ever gotten handmade soaps and like you put them in your bathtub or your shower and like you try to go pick it up and it's like adhered to your shower because it got manky and gross on the bottom. Either that or you pick it up and it's just sludge. It's because handmade soaps don't have preservatives in them. They don't have a ton of those extra hardening situations or chemical agents. This is seriously oil, lye, water, and a little bit of glitter and some mica. That's what this is. The soap smells so good. I was surprised at how the cocoa butter came through in this soap because there's so much citrus in here, and it's scented with essential oils this time. But it almost smells like a chocolate orange, which was not my intention, but I don't mind it. So I want you guys to tell me which one of these you like the best, because I will send when mine starts to get poopy. When my soap net starts to get poopy, I imagine that all of yours are getting poopy, so I send soap nets. So I'm probably gonna do that a couple times this year, maybe 3, because, you know, but I wanna know which one you like the best. So we have New Girl on the Block with a satin ribbon, or we have, you know, Old Faithful here with a pony bead. So what I hope you'll do is you'll try these out, and then send me a message or get on the Facebook group, and or send me a little email at susan@susanrushing.com and let me know which one you like the best. And everybody that responds, you Soap of the Monthers, everyone that responds to this, their names will get put into a drawing, and they will get a very special extra in their March pouch. That's what we're gonna call March's pouch, the Mouch pouch. You'll get an extra special something. So, hope you'll play. Play to win. Let me know what Kentucky says. You can't win if you don't play. No, that's Georgia. Kentucky says somebody's gonna win, might as well be you. Okay, so this is your dealio this month. I look forward to hearing what you think about this. So now, we're gonna go into the bathroom. Do what that chick does on the TikTok. I'm not slick, so forget it. Anyway, we're going to the bathroom and do some ASMR. Maybe y'all can go take a little nap now after you watch this video. I might. I love you, Mises to pieces. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to watching this, please like this video. It makes my heart feel a little tickly. And if you could surprise, because you, if you could subscribe, that would be super fabulous. I know that I have a saucer on my head. It's my hair, wrapped in a bun thing. My hair is ridiculous. It is, I mean, seriousseriously, today, on this day, February the 8th, it's been 1 year since I've been to a salon. No color, no cut. It is pioneer girl hair. Crazy. Anyway, I love you pieces to pieces. Thanks for watching. I got a bunch of videos coming up. I'm going to try to post every Tuesday. I'm not just going to do soap. I got a little incense making kit. I'm going to try it soon. It's going to be fun. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. And let's go on to the soap net comparison.